Okay, everybody. So in this box here, we've got the brand new Gen 2 Meta Ray-Ban Wayfarer design. And right here, we have the original first gen. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we have inside. So this is pretty neat. Right on the very top, it says a new way to capture, share, and listen. Just a nice little bit of signage on there. And here we go. So on the very top, it shows that I did get Ray-Ban prescription lenses. And you can see single lens, premium AR anti-reflective treatment, thin transitions, clear to gray. So that's kind of nice. And then you can see here a nice little certificate of authenticity for getting transitions and a nice little cleaning cloth. So that's interesting how this was packaged on the outside of the box. Typically that's what you find inside. So the no glare coating gives you an additional cleaning cloth. So that's kind of cool. Nice white color. It's got their brand on there. Nice. So we'll set that aside. All right. This is pretty cool. Wayfarer Gen 2 right on the box. Nice subtle Meta and Ray-Ban logo on there. And now, what we've all been waiting for, let's get into it. Oh, that sounded so good. That was nice. All right, so we will flip open the lid. Oh, and everything opens right up, presenting the beautiful Ray-Ban case. So first things first, you can notice the cases do appear identical. First, we'll check here in the side. Ooh, and now your black cleaning cloth with the Meta and the Ray-Ban logo. Very nice. On the other side, your getting started manual. And your safety and warranty booklet, which don't worry, I'm not going to read through this. All right. So let's take a look. Oh, beautiful. I got the matte black. So let's go ahead. Take off the paper wrapping. And we can see here. Looks like, oh, is that a scratch on the lens? Oh, it looks like a pen mark. They've done it on each side. So I'm not sure if you can see this, but it appears right here. And then on the other lens, right there. Not sure what that's for, but I'm going to try an alcohol wipe to try and clean her off. And we'll go ahead and turn them on. Beautiful glasses. All right, guys. So that was the unboxing of these, the Generation 2 Meta Ray-Ban Wayfarer glasses. And in my hands, I've got the first generation. The only difference is this is a shiny black, and in a large size, this is the matte black and the standard size. So I want to give everybody kind of an idea based off of their head size, how these are going to look. So this is, again, the standard and the matte black. And then you can see this is the large size in the shiny black. So the issue I was having with the large is when I would run or go for a jog, they would slide down my face. So as I'm running, I'm constantly having to push up on the bridge of the nose. So with these, I was hoping that it would take care of it, and I didn't realize how big of a difference the look was going to be. So let me know down in the comments which one you think looks better. Do you like the standard size? Or do you prefer the large size on me? This way, I'll have a better idea in the future when I get the display glasses. If they have that option, I'm going to know for sure which one to choose. So with that, I hope everybody enjoyed. And make sure you like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing a comparison between the new Generation 2s that you see on my face against the Generation 1s. I'm going to do video and photo differences. So I want everybody to be able to see how the quality difference is with both photographs and video. And then I also want to go over the battery. I want to do a few tests and see really how much longer these are going to last you. That way it gives everybody an idea on whether they want to pay the extra money for the Generation 2s or if the ones that they have now are worth keeping. So anybody who's considering an upgrade might want to check out my next video where I'm going to go a little more in depth between the two, and it'll give you a really good idea on what's going to work best for you. So with that, I hope everybody has an awesome day, and I'll see you next time.